Hello everyone, welcome back to our AWS series. In our last video, what we have seen is we have created a free tier account on AWS, and now in this video, I'll be showing you how we can create a free tier EC2 instance here on AWS. Let's see. So we are now in the dashboard of AWS, and here in this drop down, you can see that there are multiple availability zones. Like I am in India, so the closest zone will be for me is Mumbai. So I am selecting Mumbai here. Now type EC2. Here you can get this option. Click here. You can see that there is a zero running instance. Just simply click on instances. Remove this filter and you will see that there is a button called launch instance. Click here. So now you can name your instance here test AWS. You can select operating systems as per your need. Here are some OS available for you: Amazon Linux, Mac, Red Hat, SUSE, Ubuntu. So I am selecting Ubuntu. You can get the free trial information here in short. Now here you can select your instance types. You can see what type of instances you can create here and what you will be getting on those instances. So for free tier, we are eligible for this one: T2 micro, 1 vCPU, 1 GB memory, and the SSD information is as below. I am selecting this one. So here you can create your new key pair because we don't have any key pair, and for this, to access your EC2 instance, we will need this key pair. Create new key pair .pem rsa, create key pair. So your key is created here and downloaded on your system. And what this key will do for you is a public key will be generated and it will be installed on the server on the instance, and the private key is just downloaded as the .pem file on your PC. For now, we are just letting this as it is, as this is here. In future videos, I will let you know how we can edit the network settings and firewall security groups. So for now, we are just continuing from here. Remember, this should be checked here. Allow SSH traffic, else you won't be able to SSH your instance. Configure storage 8 GB. Free tier eligible customers can get up to 30 GB. So I am just selecting the default one for now. Launch instance. Okay, so now you can see that our instance is created. This is our instance ID. Let's go back to EC2 instance. Click here. You can see that this is in running state. This is actually initializing, and your instance is now being created here. You can see all of the informations, the state of your instance, host name, all of the informations you can get here. So here you can see checks passed, and let's connect our instance. Connect. You can also SSH your instance from anywhere using this example. Now we are just connecting to check with our browser session. Connect using EC2 instance connect. Connect. Here you go. Your new Ubuntu EC2 instance is installed and ready to use. Let's perform some test and check. Here you can see your operating system version. So this was the video how do we create a free tier EC2 instance on AWS. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you.